Actually, when I first knew that I was going to need a wig, I didn't know what to do. It was part of my overwhelm with everything that I was going through. And my best friend called around and made appointments for me at different places. That overwhelmed me. I couldn't pick up the phone and say that this was my problem and I needed an appointment. With Bravadas, you can just walk in. The shop is so beautiful. There's privacy in here, which is very important to myself, and I guess to people that are going through it for the first time. You need that privacy, and the people here are so warm and just friendly that I keep coming back, and I see them as my friends, and I have them style my wigs and wash them and do all the things for it so that I don't have to worry about it. I just can't recommend it highly enough compared to the other salons that I went to before. They also make sure that the wigs fit. They have choices and sizes. They have them all sitting out so that you can see all the different types and styles. Typically at other places they just have them in boxes and they come out with another box and say try this or try that. I've also purchased some wigs from online, and just because I started to get excited about it, but I bought all synthetic, and I've quickly learned the difference between wearing synthetic and a high quality wig. It is a more expensive investment, but it's worth it, because when you're wearing a wig over time, it does begin to hurt if it's synthetic. It kind of scratches you, and your own hair doesn't ever do that. So I've invested the money into good wigs so that I'm comfortable, and honestly nobody ever can tell except for when I change my style.